very classy, modern day girl, this is the candle for you, okay? This is really good. Very good. I feel like hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review. And today we have a Bath and Body Works haul. A Bath and Body Works. Ooh. So if you're interested in seeing my Bath and Body Works haul, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. So if you're interested in that and also having fun, come on, join the channel, subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to hear from you, would love to meet you. And hi, family, hi, village. How are you all? Hope you all are well, okay? Honey, we are brothers, sisters, auntie, uncles, cousins, nieces, nephews. We are family around here, okay? And so, hey, family, and if you're interested in enjoying this, family, come on and join. Look, family, I have a Bath and Body Works haul. This is going to be part 1 of my haul, okay? I have a part 2 coming, which are really candles. Okay, some of you all wanted to see some of the candles for the fall that I picked up, and I've gotten some new candles, and so some are coming through the mail, so that's going to be part 2. Part 1, I've actually picked up a couple in store, some candles, and then I also had a purchase online that I just wanted to show you all real quick. So we're just going to jump right into it, okay? Now, I have said, if you have seen my other video where I have talked about this beauty right here, the Midnight Amber Glow. Now, if you see this packaging, and if you are into Bath and Body Works, you already know what this is, okay? So Bath and Body Works had a free gift that they were giving everyone, that if you spent, I can't remember, I think it was like any type of money, right? If you spent anything, they would give you a free $35 worth of a gift. For free! Which was the Midnight Amber Glow. So I was all on board, because if you all seen my last video, I was totally loving this fragrance. And I also talked about in that video how I wanted to get a backup. So of course your sis was participating, and I just picked up a candle in order to get my free packaging, okay? And I believe this candle was online only exclusive, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, I think. Anyway, this is a White Barn candle, and this is Vanilla Birch, okay, that I wanted to get. This is a beautiful candle, okay? So I feel like this is an aesthetic girl, or a girl that's just a clean girl, or honey, whatever, whatever you are. If you like aesthetics, if you like a certain thing this way, or certain thing this way, and a pattern this way, and you like a very classy, modern day girl, this is the candle for you, okay? This is really good. Very good. I feel like after I clean my room, which is the plan for this weekend, I am cleaning, and then organizing, okay? I'm not, if you are not new, or if you've seen my description before, I normally leave you all in my description box things that I've talked about on this channel, so it just kind of helps you all to remember. So I have a channel on Macari where I have been selling my shower gels. So if you're interested in maybe getting some shower gels, go to my page and help yourself. Would love it. So anyway, the plan is to clean my room and just getting a fresh new start. I feel like I am ready for the fall season, so I just want to get my room together and just do that last bit of like summer cleaning or reset, reorganize. That's what I'm doing. Okay, anyway, went left, but all that to say, sis, what you saying? All that to say is this is a really good candle to burn after you are doing like a clean house or resetting or something like this. I feel like this is a really good one. Okay, so this has some white birch bark, Madagascar vanilla, warm sandalwood. Okay, very good. Moving on. So with that, I also picked up a few more fall candles in store. So this is my in-store pickup, and I left my coupon at the house. I know. I'm so mad about it, but I ended up just getting stuff anyway. So anyway, this is just for collector purposes. I was not a fan of the smell, right? But this is the Candied Maple Bacon. I don't know what this smells like burnt, but this smells straight up like maple bacon, okay? This is not a sweet maple bacon. Well, I guess the candy is kind of sweet, but it is really bacon, like on the stove or in the oven or however you cook your bacon or whatever you do. This is bacon, maple bacon, straight up oil bacon, okay? Anyway, I wanted to get it because I don't know when this will be back around, and it just seemed like something I would just want to have in my collection. I don't know if I want to burn it, but I'm going to save it for now, okay? And for it to collect dust. I know. Next, I have this beauty, which is Caramel Pumpkin Swirl. Now, honestly, I don't know if I already have this. I might already have this in my collection, which I'll be going through my collection with this cleaning of my room and stuff, because I think I want to put like the things that I'm the things that I want to smell candle-wise for the fall. I want to put like where I can see it, and then my like spring summer things, I want to kind of start putting those things away. I don't want to have everything out to look like a total store, because that's what my room looks like, a total store. But I want to put some organization to it. Anyway, going on a tangent again, but the Caramel Pumpkin Swirl I might have, so I might find this in my collection. But to me, this is beautiful. And actually, I wouldn't mind finding this in my collection because I really do love a caramel smelling candle or fragrance, period. So this has luscious caramel, ground cinnamon, rich brown sugar, creamy vanilla. And that's exactly what this is. You can't describe it any better. Like, I love it, but you do have to love a caramel scent or a caramel smelling candle, okay? And last, but certainly not least, they packaged all my candles really firm. Wow, how nice of them. Anyway, I have the Fall Festival, okay? Now, I looked at this and I was like, what does it smell like? But when I smelled it, this gives me fall. This is the essence of fall. This is all the fall vibes I need. This is giving me leaves and trees and sweaters and coats and boots sometimes. This is giving me all the fall vibes I need. Like, you need this. If you want a fall vibe, this is what you need, the fall festival. And maybe this is not your aesthetic or your vibe or the look. I really don't get into a lot of that. I don't want to say I'm old school at that, but I just haven't gotten into a lot of that type of thing where I would take like this paper off. But you can, right? If you want to take the paper off because you just want the actual candle to show, you can. You can just cut it and it's off. But for me, I don't mind this. I'm just going to burn it. I'm not a professional candle burner. I'm not a professional candler. I just love my house, my room, anything around me to smell good. I just like fragrances, okay? This is all the vibes. Let me tell you what it has in it. It's fresh pumpkin. It is. Spicy cinnamon. It is. Sweet maple almond butter. Ooh, maybe it's the sweet maple almond butter that gives that. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Would highly recommend. I might, if they have like a candle sale coming up or something like that, or a sale that might not be the $10 off. I mean, I might with the $10 off and just bring my coupon. Maybe I'll do something like that. We'll see. But I might get a backup of this for the fall because this is actually really good. I actually really enjoy this. Okay. Well, that's all. That's part 1. So be looking out for part 2. That has a lot more candles. I think I purchased maybe about 5 or 6. I can't remember right now. But some of the new candles that I've been waiting for it to come out. I've been seeing some mixed reviews, so I'm excited to see what my nose is giving, okay? I don't mind, honey. I don't mind listening and looking at reviews because at the end of the day, I'm going to have my own opinion, but I love to see what people say. I love to talk with people, and sometimes that even makes me more excited. Sometimes I'm fearful of what I'm going to get, but either way, it doesn't influence my thoughts, my nose, and how I'm feeling because it's just how I'm feeling. But anyway, who cares about all that, sis? I know, girl. Went left again. I apologize. Okay. All right, family, and make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to hear your thoughts. Would love to get to know you. And hey, make sure that you are good to yourselves, okay? Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye, family.